Hi everybody, this is Cindy Leahy. I am going to show you how to use Powtoons. Now what you'll do is you'll go to powtoon.com, Powtoon.com, and you'll create an account. Now after you create the account, I'm already signed in here. So you'll go up here and it says start creating awesome Powtoons. So click start and it'll give you an option. What do you want to create? Well, for this presentation, I'm going to choose to create a presentation. So we'll click that and we'll go to basic for the example. You'll choose a title. So I'm going to select sample 2 and a brief description. Sample of Powtoon. Okay, so that's done. We'll click create, and then it'll take you to the sample, which is right here. You'll go to actions and edit, and then it'll bring you to your first Powtoon. Now it's very similar to a PowerPoint presentation setup. The slides are over on the left and the options are over on the right here. So it says this is a template of a basic presentation with a spice of animation. So you can leave this as it is. You can click on it and delete the box. You can delete everything on the box and then start a new one if you want. So we're going to add some text here, and then it'll say double click to edit. So we're going to expand the box a little bit, and then it will allow us to edit it right in the box. So we're going to go ahead and add some text. Add text here, and then we're going to expand it. This is for the first page. Okay. If you wanted to, you could have a logo here. I'm gonna escape out of that. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to add some animated characters. Now there are a couple different styles that you can choose up here on the left hand side. It'll show you your styles, and you can choose from stickmen, cartoon images. You can choose all these different types of styles. Mission Impossible style. There is a corporate rough style. There is hands, different hand style, and then a seasonal style here. For this, I like the little guys, so I'm going to go back and choose this type of person. So I'm going to work with the animated characters because I like how they work. So we're going to choose more to bring them all up. And we're going to put in a scared animated face. Now again, we can move it and size it as we wanted to. And I'm going to put him here. We're going to delete that is proud to present. And then down here is where things will show up. This is the timing of everything. So down here is the different boxes that we have, the different options that we have. So I'm going to want the text to show up right at the beginning. So I'm going to put text at 0 seconds. The Powtoon I'm going to delete. So the animation I'm going to leave at 1 second. And if you click on here, if you click on the arrow, you can determine how it enters, whether it'll enter as a fade, as a pop, whether it'll come up on the screen, whether it'll enter down the screen from the right or from the left. So I'm going to choose coming in from the left, and then I'm going to, after 6 seconds, I'm going to choose it to go out on the right. Okay? So what's happening is the text will come in first, and then a second later the gentleman will come in. So that's our first slide. So when we're done with the slide, we can go on to slide 2. And again, we can remove or add the different characters as we like. and we're going to choose the subject of our presentation. So to get the text box up, you'll double click on it, and you can choose the font, which is all shown here, the size, the color, and it gives you a lot of different options for colors. And then it has effects on it as well. So for this, we're going to choose the subject, tutorial of Powtoon, if I can type correctly. So we're going to apply that, and then again we're going to select the at what time we want it to come in. So we want it to come in right at 0 seconds, and after 3 seconds we're going to have it pop out. Okay, and then let's see, let's add another little, let's add a woman typing. So we're going to add her on the left hand side, and we're going to have her come in at a ½ second. Whoops. That's the words. Remember to click on the box when you want her to come in. So we're going to have her come in, and we're going to have her come in from the bottom. And then we're going to have her exit out to the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this then to make sure that we have it all down. And then what you can do is you can play it. This option here will play all slides from the start. And you see that, and then the second text, you saw it come in as typed in, which was kind of cool. Now you can also choose different styles, different options of how they come in, different text effects. Now it's not showing up here for some reason, but you can choose different text effects as well. Well, I guess that's it. Have fun with this. The greatest thing is that the sky's the limit with the options. Basically, you can add a speech bubble. You can add different backgrounds. You can have different backgrounds to it. A frame if you want. There are lots of different options that you have. So good luck and have fun. Thanks.